Kaborsensha District Ri Bhoi Mentakesengi kalapendep banyasoy ka Memorandum of Understanding MOU but ka SELCO Foundation naka banta bantay ya ki Heath Sub Centre ki badai katkum ka juk start ba menta banum syakta lada pentut ka boarding bagi nong tri ka tanat ka koi ka kya ki donkam ya ka boarding ka batikna banum syakta ki paiba hakapang ka shitom Laya soiru ia kini ke MOU hapdeng ke Kaborsensha District ke Ri Bhoi bat ke SELCO Foundation haswa ba ke SELCO Foundation kan hap bantai ya ki pratli ki kamra pan kha kalung ki Heath Sub Centre ki badon shashnong nong kendong ke Ri Bhoi haringat ki bor solar energy banum syakta hakapor bakha kalung bat ban pen klain ya ke jing sumar ba kerpang na ke benta ki khenarit Yakane ke MOU laya soy hapdeng jong Deputy Commissioner ke Ri Bhoi u Arpit Upadhyay bat Kahuda Jaffer Director ke SELCO Foundation haringkat ke jingadon lang jong uba M Tongper ADC u District Medical and Health Officer Dr. P Khanari ka Additional DMHO ka Dr. B Bla bat kinong mi ikmat na ka Sierra Leone Ethiopia bat Burkina Faso ka jingtmu balay soy yakane ke MOU ka deru shibanta ban ai bor ya ka SELCO Foundation bakante ye ke lais pa atli ke Heath Sub Centre bannom syakta hapapen ka bor mariang ya ka boarding electric ka bakin pendon kam na ka bor solar ban penbiang boarding khnang bannom syakta habathut ka bor mariang habakren hagani geski na kalyang jong Arpit Upadhyay Deputy Commissioner jong ka Ri Bhoi ulapan pau ye ke jingkmen baladep ban soya ka MOU bat ka SELCO Foundation bat ka jingtu balay soya ka MOU kalong ban aibor ya ka SELCO Foundation ban chnai ki kamra pan ka kalung hakishnong nong kendong ka bade katkum ka juk start ba menta khnang bakan nom thut na ka benta ki long ki me ki bawan khakun shaki jaka ajing sumar Shosho ula ongru bada ka batay ya kiti ki kamra khaklung haki Heath Sub Centre hakish nong nong kendong ka bapanon kamru da ki bor solar ban penbiang boarding kani rap shibon ya ki ban ai ka jing shakri ka bapa katam ya ki bapang bashitam bat khamtam ban penslur ya ki longkme ban wan kha ya ki khon shaki jaka sumar ula ban rap
from 3 countries today, but there are many others from other countries that went on other visits. They are also interested in health, but we cannot all come in one place.
Like 80 to 85% of our centers solarized. We have like solar boxes in the labor room or delivery rooms, so that we use that to electrify the room just for lighting, charging of small appliances like the fetoscope, and maybe headlights for the nurses or the midwives doing deliveries. So basically that's what we have.
So I'm very happy to announce that today we have signed one MOU with SELCO Foundation. The MOU is regarding creating new maternal homes, maternal wards in our sub-centers. So these are the areas which are quite remote and the condition in which the sub-centers condition is quite bad. So now after this MOU, SELCO has already made designs which are climate resilient, inclusive designs for a good maternity ward, and after that we hope that it will definitely going to improve the health indicators and going to improve our institutional delivery in Ri Bhoi District. So this is in line with the aspirational district program of Niti Aayog, and we are quite happy to have SELCO Foundation with as a partner in us in our development and for the development of the Ri Bhoi District.
SELCO has the great mission to solar power with energy efficiency and sustainable built environment for about 25 health centers in India by 2026. In this direction, we have been working with Government of Meghalaya for the last 2 to 3 years, and we have solar powered in partnership with the Government of Meghalaya about 186 health centers, and Ri Bhoi becomes one district where all the health centers have been solar powered with energy efficient equipments. And now today we signed an MOU with the district administration of Ri Bhoi to design and construct about 8 delivery rooms. And in addition to that, we also have a partnership with the NHM at state level to build about 74 health centers in Meghalaya which are climate resilient. So by 2023 we are aiming to along with the partnership of government invested by the government to solar power all the health centers of Meghalaya. Thank you.